अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, इस वक्त हमारे दरमियान डॉक्टर अफराह मौजूद हैं जो मल्टीपल क्वालिटीज़ की हामिल हैं और आज एक यहाँ खूबसूरत इवेंट भी वूप मीडिया को उन्होंने इनवाइट किया, हम उसकी कवरेज के लिए आए हैं. डॉक्टर, यू आर हैप्पी टुडे.
Thank you so much.
Can you tell us
Yeah,
about
yeah.
today this event?
Thank you so much. I appreciate that you came here to visit and to see what we are going to do in my elections. Hopefully we can win and we can do a lot of things to Kuwait, so in the developments in the future and everything. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much.
What your developments about the education sector?
Yeah.
What your
Education, we will do a new plan for the education. We will use the Japanese method of learning and teaching. So it's gonna be something new, and in the future, it's gonna move a lot of things.
famous around Kuwait and also the Pakistani community also.
Yeah.
What you're feeling about Pakistani community?
Thank you so much, Pakistan. I love you so much. And a lot of people say that I'm beautiful. I look like Pakistani people. So I'm really happy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank
I
you.
hope so. Best of luck.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.